One was you either separate the toes through here or add a little bit through here. So then you're going to use that 35-degree edge, so pointing up with your number 8. So you go through here, work on all those. You feel that in there? So make sure you're coming between the toes. If they're a little bit smaller, and separate the toes and come right through it. Okay. Again, we'll go each toe. Now this is a lot of stuff going on there. This is for someone that has any kind of general foot pain. Will go well with plantar fasciitis treatment. Or anybody that is a runner will have what we worked on ankles as well. And through here, be really gentle because we don't need to go too deep. You can really feel it being gritty in between there. From there, we'll use a little bit of the tendon. So for there, we use this edge right across here, toes down, and stay on at 45-degree, and working all through. When we work on the top of the tendon, we also rotate it in again. You get underneath it through here. And then rotate it this way, and get through there as well. You will get a little bit of lumbricals when you do that. You can come right through. And you can feel that bumpiness, and yeah, does it feel comfortable? Yeah. Okay, so tibialis anterior. You want to check a little bit of muscle test through it. So again, put it in that short position, try to lengthen it. So through here, again with that line, you know, drive it. Has everybody done muscle testing before? Okay, so do a little, I just want you guys, so if you treat a structure, test it first, treat it, then test it again so you can see how we make a difference. So bring your foot up, line and drive, and resist me for pushing down this way. So here, resist me for pushing down. She's actually really strong. So with that, we can either put it in a position. So we're tibialis anterior. And we'll do that assessment, so we'll go mid-range for it. We'll assess coming up. There's not too much going there as well, so we'll also assess this way as well. Not too much, we come right into the foot as well. There's a little bit more happening here. And then we can actually do that pinning and stripping as well. So if we're pinning and stripping, we find that spot, hold it down, and then move it through that range of motion through there. It's going to be a little bit uncomfortable for the patient. And then remember, when you treat tibialis anterior, make sure you're always giving strengthening exercise, because usually pretty, well, hers is strong. But we want to make sure you're strengthening. We're breaking down the tissue, we need to strengthen it so it stabilizes the foot. Any questions with that? From there, we'll work on the peroneals. And we usually do the peroneals sideline, or we just rotate the foot in a little bit. Peroneals is very similar, so from here, we're going to try to muscle test it and pushing it this way. Foot up, so hold that foot there, and then don't let me push it down. She's actually really strong. If they have a peroneus issue, it's going to collapse with flex. It's going to collapse with flex. It's going to collapse in this way when I try to push it down. Okay? So again, the head of the fibula there. Again, you're doing that sweep, feel where the scar tissue is. Then we'll turn it around, make sure that 35 degrees stays up. And there's more going up that way. So that's the direction we're going to treat. Is that really that tender?
Yeah.
Okay. So whoever's her partner, make sure they really spend a lot of time on the peroneals. And with that, we're going to use through here. We'll also use that number 3 as well. And put it in a little mid-range and come straight up into there. Yeah, right where the attachment is. So we're finding that her attachment is a little more tender. So we'll actually use that. We use a little bit of number 8 and a little bit of number 1 right where they meet each other. Palpate where the head of the fibula is. And we'll just do a little bit of coming off it just to really break it up. Or if you want to target in there, we use this edge through here. Come in and really fall off that fibula. Any questions with the anterior? No. One thing we're also going to look at is there's a band that holds all the tendons down. So all the tendons come through the foot through here. There's a band that holds it down like a wrist strap. It doesn't say that in the book. We're also going to treat that as well. So again, it's a little extra. So if anybody has any kind of they sprain their ankle, their foot doesn't move properly, open up that piece of fascia as well, because that causes a lot of issues. Sometimes it compresses those tendons and causes a lot of issues through there. So foot halfway, we come through, that's out of place too. So with her, we'd adjust her foot first, you guys do adjustments, and then, so come through, you'll be able to feel that. I can hear from here, work on that as well. So any kind of tibialis anterior, peroneus longus, work on that band of fascia as well, plus lumbricals. So any questions with those?